Again, we're walking on the stabilizer. Apparently the stabilizer with the stone sitting on it, it's going to stabilize the ground. As I mentioned maybe in some previous videos, if there is clay, and there is a lot of clay in my backyard. How do I know that? I've been gardening for 20 years back here. Every time you put your pick down into the ground, it's almost like Eretz Israel, Israel, where your pick just bounces. So basically, the stabilizer goes down, the crushed stone goes on top of it, and it basically acts like a trampoline. I think that was a word an engineer used when he was describing it to me, one of my neighbors. And so basically it stops the crushed stone from sinking in down through any soft areas like the clay. Hopefully I did an okay job. This is not what I do for a living. I'm just delighted that I can get all this on video. And again, thank you for your patience. As I don't have an editor. I take the videos, they're raw. What you see is what you get. I can see he's moving right along, my friends. So I think I'll pick up when he's back here and or rolling out the crushed stone. Again, this is SE Custom Designs. If you've only seen this video, consider subscribing to our channel. Leave your comments. We'll get back to you. Thumbs up, great. Thumbs down, let us know why, and we'll try to improve. One of the suggestions is, don't talk so much. I'm hearing you. Thanks, guys.